My current role is leading markets and business development for FSO Switzerland, so Financial Service Organization Switzerland. And what I love about it is that I feel I'm part of shaping the future, because the mandate of my job is exactly stay ahead of the market trends and understand what are the emerging challenges of our clients, and then try to help them with EY capabilities and bring the best of EY in front of our clients. I think it's about data and insights. This is the core of the insurance business. It's about risk knowledge and risk data and how to make a right price out of it. The question I have today, or a threat or challenge for our clients, is exactly who owns this data and who are sitting at the source of this data. It's normally not the insurance company. It's a retailer, it's car dealers, and it's a nutrition company, it's pharmaceutical companies. It's not insurance. So then it's really about their ability to generate insights from the emergent data and the emergent amount of data and the emergent source of data, like a blockchain or like artificial intelligence. It's a very different way of gathering data and how to deal with that. It's the same. It's still data analytics because, as I said, most of the data are not sitting with insurance, so they don't have the first-hand data from the source. But what they do have, what others don't have, is the knowledge about risk, and it's also accumulation and consolidation of this data. Aggregated data makes sense, and how to really generate risk insights out of the aggregated data and make the world more resilient. This is exactly the opportunity, what others cannot do. I'm specifying my answer to the retail customers, so the end consumers. I think as a consumer, I'm thinking about myself, my friends as well, and my family. And it's three fundamental things. One is about trust, because risk management, because I want insurance when something goes wrong, because that's exactly the moment of truth. I have to absolutely trust them, that they are reliant when something goes wrong. This is the trust, the first one. The second one is a convenience. So I need to be very transparent about what I'm covered, where I'm covered, and how I'm covered, and also in the convenience way that I can buy when I know I have a new risk. So it's the convenience of buying and the convenience of claims as well. The third one is about surprise me. Because the first two, a lot of insurance company can do, but what makes a difference between the brands are the wow effect. It could be social responsibility, it could be something which I'd never thought about as consumers. That wow effect is exactly where I think it's a huge opportunity for the leaders in the market. I would probably step back thinking about the fundamentals of the business, of two things. One is the organizational setup. So everybody's talking about agile and innovating, new future. But in my view, the biggest opportunity lies in how you organize the company. Just give you an example. If you want to be client-centric, but your current organization is still in a product line, how would you be a client-centric? So this is really, again, about organization and people, right profiles, and all the others would follow. And the second thing is about the purpose. So it's not about where the money is. It's really about what value are you adding to the world and to the end consumers, and the money is the result. I make it short. I think in 20 years, insurance business indeed will grow, because the risks which can be insurable will be growing. And we also know that we have a lot of protection gaps in different countries as well. But the insurer, I'm not so sure. So basically, I think if I'm being very disruptive and futuristic here, in 20 years, I would be covered by a lot of a different risk management perspective, but I'm not aware I'm buying insurance, but I'm just protected. who's behind this brands protecting me, I don't care.